Hello, and thank you once again for being part of the 1 month trial and testing phase of the iYoga device. This short video will give you an understanding on how to use the device properly so you get the best result possible. First of all, the eye chart test that would have been given to you as you received the device and the agreement. First, we need to test the current state of your eyes so we can benchmark the improvement after using the device, especially over the course of a month. So all we need to do here is grab your eye chart, put some sticky tape on it, and position it on a wall 4.5 meters away from where you'll be standing, and have another person check to see what line you can read clearly with no mistakes. Now, you only have one chance at doing this, as your memory can kick in on the letter that you got wrong. If you make a mistake, then your line will be the previous line with larger text. That is your benchmark. So there's lines from 1 down to 11. If you can read line 5 clearly, and then you get one letter wrong in line 6, then your benchmark will be line 5, the previous line with larger text. Very important we get that correct. So let's get started. First of all, this device is 100% safe and has been safety tested. You will see this device as a natural way of exercising the eyes, free from screens and utilising safe, low light LEDs and state-of-the-art electronic smart glass. So first of all, the first exercise is the palming exercise. This is where we rub our palms together till they're warm, and hold your palms over your closed eyes so it's nice and dark for a period of 30 seconds. This just rests the eyes before we go through an intensive eye exercise. Once that is done, pick up your device, and there's a green button at the front. That's the start button. That triggers the program and all the sequences. So press that, then quickly attach the device over your eyes and over your head, and the device waits 5 seconds before the first sequence starts. So the first sequence, it's very, very simple. All you have to do is follow the numbers that light up with your eyes. The numbers will bounce around from one side to another, multiple colors, multiple numerical numbers that light up in a specific sequence, and they'll become rotational. So it's where they go clockwise and anti-clockwise and so on. The numbers can appear blurry to some people. This is okay, because it's all about challenging your eyes, and this is part of the process. So you want to adjust your eyes like a pair of binoculars so you can see clearly, see the numbers nice and clear for the entire 5-minute exercise. So the key is to stretch and challenge the focusing ability of the eyes so the numbers do not look blurry. This is important for results. You may not be able to make them look clear, but the goal is to try and challenge the eyes in regards to your focusing ability. There is a reason why different colored lights are popping up in specific sequences. The eyes will feel like they are straining, but this is actually exercising. That's the completion of the first sequence. Then the second sequence will automatically start. And this is called the short and far-sightedness electronic smart glass exercise. This is where the glass at the front of the device switches from opaque to clear. And what you need to do here is all LEDs will stop except the number 5 LED at the bottom center of the device. So you need to focus your eyes on looking at the opaque glass in front of you. The glass will automatically go clear. This is when you must look at an object through the glass that is at a far distance. Further away the better, depending on your level of vision. You must focus on an object in front of you that is at a distance, like a tree, outside of a window. But your eyes can visually see it clearly. So it would be an idea to place a chair in front of a window of your home or in the backyard so you can see an object that is far away, that is at a far distance. The glass will then go back to opaque, and this is where you focus for your short distance, which is the bottom center LED. The number 5 will light up, and you must adjust and focus your eyes on the number 5 so it's clear and not blurry. Then the number 5 will switch off and the glass will go clear again. Just repeat the process each time. This is very important to help with short-sightedness and far-sightedness of the eye ocular muscle. The key is to focus at a short distance and then adjust your focusing ability at a far distance, which will challenge the eye's focusing ability. Keep extending the distance as your eyes are becoming more clearer and more comfortable with doing so. This is a very, very important exercise. These two sequences will start to alternate. for a total of 5 minutes. The whole exercise only goes for 5 minutes. Once completed, take the device off your head and immediately repeat the palming exercise for 30 seconds. So you have total darkness to rest and move the eyes around slowly to lubricate them. We have now completed the eye exercise. So that's it, just a total of 5 minutes, a few different sequences there. Aim to do this about 2 to 3 times per day to receive the best result. More if possible. More screen time, the more time you should do it. Up to 5 times. So as part of our agreement, the success of the device relies on questions being answered in the survey that we've handed to you. If you could please fill in the survey in a timely manner and send each page through each week as you answer the weekly questions. Happy for you to simply take a photograph with your phone and text or email them through to the details on the survey agreement to make it easier for you. Please put your name at the bottom of the text if you decide to go down that path. In return, you get to keep the device and also be part of building the credibility of the device that is desperately needed in the marketplace for the future. This concludes our training video. And first of all, I'd just like to say thank you very much for being part of this trial, and I look forward to start receiving your answered questions, and I'll speak to you throughout the month of the trial. So I'll speak to you again shortly, and thank you very much for your time.